Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of thin filaments. Let's get started. The machinery of skeletal muscle includes thin and thick filaments. At the core of a thin filament is an actin filament. Based on the orientation in which its subunits, called globular actin molecules, attach to each other, the actin filament appears helical. Each globule includes a site where another protein, a myosin head of a thick filament, can bind. However, in the absence of a nerve impulse to stimulate a muscle fiber, a long third protein called tropomyosin lies, blocking the myosin binding sites. 3 polypeptides in a complex called troponin associate with actin and tropomyosin. Troponin, tropomyosin, and actin constitute the thin filament. Troponin can move tropomyosin and unblock the myosin binding sites. A cross-section shows how troponin and tropomyosin associate around actin and block the binding of a myosin head. A nerve impulse triggers skeletal muscle cells to release calcium ions into the cytoplasm, an event that initiates muscle contraction. Calcium ions bind to troponin C polypeptides, which shift the position of the troponin tropomyosin on the actin filament, allowing the myosin head to bind and begin muscle contraction. After a time, calcium levels become low again, and the troponin and tropomyosin shift back, covering the myosin binding sites and causing the muscle to relax. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.